All right, good afternoon, evening, morning, whenever you're joining this video. So I wanted to do a video about some more deals that I found on the internet, and especially around Black Friday. I want to highlight some of the deals that I'm finding. I have a problem with looking at myself instead of in the camera, so I'm going to focus on looking in the camera so I'm talking directly to you. So anyway, this video is about e.l.f. Cosmetics. I don't know if you guys have tried it, but it's a really good brand of makeup. You usually can find it in your Target stores, and I think Walmart might sell it. I'm not 100% sure, but at Target it's pretty cheap. So I shouldn't say cheap. It's inexpensive because the makeup is, I think it's quality. I spot it every once in a while when I'm out at random stores. Like when we were getting a suit, I saw it at what is that, Men's Warehouse or D&G Suits. I don't know, one of those two. But anyway, so this box that I'm about to explore with you, I purchased these products for $25. They were having a really good sale where you spend $30 and you get 50% off. So basically you'll get $30 worth of products for $15, and then I found some extras. But yeah, and I purchased the items off of elf.com, and it's elf.com. So I went directly to their website instead of a third party. Oh, there's Toby. Shout out Toby if you can see him in the corner. He's right there. Anyway, so I went directly to the manufacturer's site and bought these, elf.com. So in here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items, and I only spent $25. So, and it's all stuff that I needed. So let's get started. So it comes in a plain box, nothing special. It's not, a box that you're gonna, I guess you can reuse it for shipping, recycle the box. So first thing I bought were some workout wipes. So I've started going to the gym daily, and although I do shower when I get real sweaty, it's nice to have these when you do a light moderate workout and you just want to, get nice. But these, I think I paid about $1.25. It wasn't no more than $2. And I got 2 of these so I can get one for my workout buddy too, because I use her deodorant wipes all the time. So now we both have a pack, and very inexpensive. She said she paid $15 for some, and then she went to TJ Maxx and bought some for $8. And so yeah, I like to find the deal. Ooh, then I got some, I forgot about this. I got some highlighter. So this is a apricot glow, and I'll just use it on my cheeks. I think I paid about two something for this. Nothing I bought was more than $1 to $2. Let's see what else. An eyebrow pencil. It's a deep brown color, so I'm hoping it will match my eyes perfectly. If not, I have some other pencil I can darken it with. But it comes with, on one side is the brush, so you can fix your eyebrows, and then the other side is the pencil. Then I have some prime and stay finish powder. I actually think this might be a little too dark for me, but yeah. But that's okay. I'll use it as some, I'll use it to contour a little bit. So it won't be a waste. Then I have some under eye concealer and highlighter, which I like because I work a lot and my eyes get tired because I work on computers all day. So next I have some lip lacquer. I remember this was only $1. So saying that everything was 50% off, I paid 50 cents for this. If we do the math. Yes, 50 cent lip gloss. 50 cent lip gloss. Yeah. Okay, what else do I have? I have so much stuff in here. I have Sculpting Silk eyeshadow. So it's a trio of eyeshadow. It's called Rose All Day. I guess like the rose wine. This will be nice. This is nice office wear when I'm, meeting with some clients or something. That'll be nice to wear. What else? What else do I have? Ooh, some mascara. So this is, what is this? Volumizing and defining mascara. Not sure if it's as good as CoverGirl, but I needed more mascara. I like their mascaras. I tend to buy these, and I tend to find them in the clearance at Target for about $1.50 or so. $1.50. All right. Then I have this bag of stuff, and I think I bought a trio of stuff so it all came together. And I don't think this was more than a $5 trio of stuff. So the first thing that came in it was, oh, you know what? This is my free gift. I got a free gift with purchase. That's what this is. Hey, free gifts. So I got a face illuminating face primer, because I was like, I wouldn't have ordered illuminating face primer because you see I already have that natural, glow. I think it's just oil, but whatever. But anyway, so I have this, and apparently they also have an advertisement on there. So if I like this, then I might go on and go ahead and buy the eye cream. Let's see. I guess it's never too much to have this. I already have a palette of this. I like it. I like my eyeshadows and stuff to shimmer a little bit, so I will use this. This is called the Flawless Golden Goddess. Oh, okay, I see. The lid part is gold. The eyelid. And then the last thing I have are highlighting pearl paints. Not quite sure what you do with this, but we will see. But anyway, thanks for watching me go through my ELF stuff. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And soon I will be putting on all this makeup and